Hi, me again. Still at the lake at my mom's. Got a little interrupted because I was chatting with her. She came down to talk to me. But this is still Kristen, and I'm teaching you just little tiny things you can do to help nurture your nervous system in moments when you don't have a lot of time, but you get triggered or something like that. So the third, we've done sound, we've done touch, and then the third one that I'm going to talk about is sight. And so I'm going to flip the camera around and bring you to something a little more interesting than my face, in my opinion. And you can do this with anything. This doesn't have to be nature. It can be just looking around you at the office, or looking around you outside, noticing what you see. But the idea is that you're really noticing, not just like most of the time we go through life where we're not really paying a lot of attention to things. We're just kind of, again, stuck in our own thoughts. And so the idea is to just really drill down on one little thing. If you're looking out your window, maybe it's a cloud, maybe it's a bird flying by, maybe it's people walking down below, or traffic or something, but just really honing in on one little thing and just noticing things about it that you might not ordinarily notice. In this case, I'm noticing these flowers. They're doing really nicely despite the fact that it's here late September. And I can notice the texture or the shape of the leaves or the color. Like, how would I describe that color? Just whatever. Like, everybody's different, so the things that stand out to you are the things that you're trying to do. If you're looking out the window down below you or around you at a construction site, just really trying to pay attention to, like, see here, this little design here. In fact, I might actually take a picture of this when I'm done. But just the way that this madrona bark is laying on top of these other little, whatever these things are called, with a pine cone in the middle of it, next to these other little things. Just kind of the way that is a piece of art, right? It's very beautiful. But you don't have to look for things that are beautiful. The idea is, again, you're just drilling in, paying attention to something besides your thoughts for a short amount of time. So that is number 4, I think, of your senses. Right? We did hearing, we did textures, 3. So number 3, and I'll be back in a few minutes with the next idea.